To change the wallpaper in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to select personalization. Now there's multiple ways that you can change the wallpaper for your lock screen or home screen. So let's start with the lock screen. We can select it on the left side right here and go into the customize. Then click on the wallpaper, and this will allow you to change the wallpaper for the lock screen, but you can also apply it to your home screen if you like it. Now, if you want to change those wallpapers independently between the lock screen and home screen, let's discard the changes for now and go back to the personalization screen. We can scroll to the bottom, which will show you the editors pick new wallpapers from Xiaomi. If you want, you can use them. If not, just go to the system wallpapers and also select whichever wallpaper you like from this list, and then you can just apply it again to the lock screen, home screen, or both of them. And now let's go back and let me show you how to apply custom photo for your home screen. So to do that, you will need to open a gallery where usually you'll be able to find the photos that you want to use as wallpapers. Then click on the three dots right here and click on set as wallpaper. Now make sure to apply it and then choose a home screen as an option, and this will apply that specific wallpaper only to your home screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.